How to apply for Medicaid in Texas. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps to apply for Medicaid in Texas. Begin by visiting your Texas benefits website, where you can create an account and start your Medicaid application. You'll need to enter information about your income, household, and any other factors that may affect eligibility. So be prepared with the necessary documents to avoid delays. The online portal provides a straightforward way to track your application status, making it easier to follow up. For those who prefer alternative methods, you can apply by calling 211 in Texas for assistance over the phone or by visiting a local Texas Health and Human Services office for in-person support. Once your application is processed, you'll be notified of your eligibility and provided details about your Medicaid plan options and start date. Completing the Texas Medicaid application is a crucial step towards securing healthcare services for you and your family. With this process, you're now prepared to apply confidently, ensuring access to vital health coverage as soon as possible.